Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait 5 minutes so capacitors discharge. Once done, use trim tools to remove the bezel and unscrew the head unit. Keep screws organized. You need a multimeter and anti-static strap. These prevent damage while probing. You will check obvious faults first: loose harnesses, crushed ribbon cables, or corroded pins. This is practical. You're eliminating electrical and connection causes before deeper steps. Now you remove the display assembly and inspect the digitizer ribbon closely. Look for hairline tears, bent pins, or adhesive failure. You reseat the ribbon, open the latch, align the contacts, press evenly until it clicks. Locking is critical. Then power the unit briefly with the harness connected and test voltage at the digitizer connector, 5 volts or 12 volts depending on model, and confirm solid ground. If the screen still ignores touch, calibration or controller replacement is next. When connection fixes fail, you replace the touchscreen controller board or the entire digitizer. This is often the only reliable fix for persistent non-response. You install the new part, reconnect securely, then update the head unit firmware and run the factory touchscreen calibration so touch maps to display coordinates. Make sure to test all edges and multi-touch points. If problems persist, bench test the unit with a separate power supply and swap harnesses to isolate whether the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.